Looks the same.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, from the outside looking in, yeah. I love the colour, the metallic in the colour. I reckon it's fantastic.
It's great. Really nice.
Yeah, the outside's just whatever. That's what's going on under here. We care
And
about.
that's where all
Don't
the
scratch it with your wheel.
there's a lot to take in there.
Crikey.
So
I'm glad you know all about it.
from there all the way back and underneath, there's Andy's fabrication work. He put all these together.
I tell you what, it looks a professional job.
Really?
It does, yeah.
But I don't know what I'm doing.
What's that?
That's the turbo.
That's the turbo.
That's the turbo.
30 big Garrett.
So
What's that over there?
which
What?
one?
Yeah, all that stuff.
Well, that's factory. That's all the
So being your car,
that's the underbonnet electrical centre.
that one, that's the coolant overflow.
Right.
And then this one is crankcase ventilation.
And that thing?
That's the fuel pressure regulator. Yeah, there's a lot of plumbing for the fuel system.
And this one here there's a sensor in there. That's your fuel system. That senses what fuel it's running, whether it's E85 or 98 or whatever.
He's a brain, isn't he?
Certainly is.
So these are all stainless.
Yep.
Where did all brains come from?
From him, not from
you?
me.
Yeah, I reckon. In a roundabout way.
Yeah.
But, I mean, all the mechanical part of it is well over my head. But just looking at it reminds me of what his first car was.
Yeah. Scorpion?
could-
No.
No.
It's
The green one.
Yeah,
It's a really...
British Racing Green.
it looks as
you
if...
Oh,
could
the
have eaten,
Capri.
yeah,
The Capri.
you could have eaten your meal off it. Everything, and always he had a clean,
But my life
spotless
motto,
car.
is never satisfied. So I did my best,
Oh,
but it could be better.
oh.
This looks as though it's just come out of a
A workshop.
workshop.
Yeah.
And that's the way he wanted it to
Yeah.
appear as well.
Turn her over, Andy.
You rip up. What you like to have. I like the number plate.
You want to go for a drive around the street?
Oh yeah.
Sure.
Alrighty.
She feels more responsible.
Yeah, but I just very gentle. How are you? You all good?
Yep.
You happy?
Mighty job, Andy. She's got plenty under the pedal there.
Oh yeah, I'm just breathing on it, very gentle. You okay if I just open up a little bit?
Just a little bit, yeah.
Just a little bit.
And that was maybe 10-15% on the accelerator.
Pardon?
You okay with that?
Yep, yeah.
No more?
That's great. And what setting have you got it on?
The lowest setting, which is around 700 horsepower. exhaust mufflers that's on a switch.
Yeah.
And when I open it up and the exhaust is unmuffled.
Yeah.
Can you hear it? Can you feel it?
Yeah.
So we can make a racket, but if we want to shut it up, hit the switch.
See.
Right as a mouse.
Yeah.
Yeah, all this traffic, got all these ponies, but nowhere to put them.
No doubt about it. It's a fabulous motor car. There's a difference in the torque converter, isn't there?
Yeah, it's got an aftermarket torque converter.
It's the same transmission.
Yep, still the standard transmission. Just a nice little Sunday cruise. What do you reckon we should take it to church? What do you reckon?
She's a mighty machine, Daddy.
Yeah.
I'm proud of you. With no
Formal training
formal training,
could do that job.
come up with a job like that.
Yeah.
You reckon?
No, he's done a top job.
I don't think I want to be around him when he meets up with some of his male friends. I know what the conversation will be, don't I?
It's just the power of it.
It's astronomical.
And I was only using 15% of the lower power.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Oh. Yeah.